If I told you one ebook could change your bank balance forever? Yes, people are making $10,000 per month just by selling digital books, and they don't even write them themselves. You've probably heard of ebooks before, but maybe you thought, I can't write. Who will buy from me? I don't have a big audience. In 2025, ebooks are one of the easiest ways to make passive income online, even if you are a total beginner. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can go from zero to selling your own ebook. Using free tools like ChatGPT and Canva. First, pick a hot selling topic. Here's how. Go to Amazon Kindle store, write shoes, bestsellers, non-fiction, categories like self-help, finance, fitness, AI, and tech, relationships. Now open Google Trends, search your topic, make sure it's growing. Bonus, use ChatGPT to generate niche ideas. Try this prompt. Give me 10 profitable ebook topics for beginners. Pro tip, avoid broad topics like how to be happy. Go specific. Example, 30-day journaling plan to overcome anxiety. You don't need to be a writer. Let ChatGPT do it. Here's a step-by-step flow. Outline prompt. Create a detailed ebook outline for your topic, including 5 chapters. Chapter writing prompt. Write chapter 1 of an ebook titled, book title, that helps beginners understand topic. Use simple, engaging tone. Use Google Docs or Notion to format it while ChatGPT writes. Proofread using Grammarly or Quillbot to polish. Use link to canva.com, free, it has ebook templates. Choose ebook template. Copy your content. Add visuals, charts, page numbers. Design a beautiful cover. Use this prompt for Ideogram or Midjourney to create the cover. Minimalist ebook cover design for a self-help book titled, Break Free in 30 Days, clean, calming color palette, aesthetic look. Download as PDF, ready to sell. 1. Link to gumroad.com, free. Upload your ebook. Set price, $7 to $29. Add a nice description and cover. Target niche keywords, like, fitness ebook for beginners. 3. Your own website or Instagram link in bio. Use Linktree or card. 4. AI, tools to create sales pages. Use ChatGPT for product descriptions. Use link to durable.co to make a one-page website in 60 seconds. Comment, ebook, if you want a free checklist I made for you. Like, save, and subscribe, because this channel will help you build real income with AI and smart hacks.